Pictory is an amazing video generating software that uses artificial intelligence to create stunning videos in minutes. With Pictory, you can quickly create high-quality videos that look professional without spending hours in front of the computer. Pictory's AI-driven video generator makes it easy to create beautiful videos with stunning effects, visuals, and sound. With its user-friendly interface, anyone can make videos without needing any prior knowledge of video editing. Using Pictory, you can customize your video with templates, add transitions, effects, and music. You can also adjust the visual elements of your video, such as brightness, saturation, contrast, and more. If you are looking for an easy way to create professional-looking videos, then this might be the tool you have been looking for. Let us go through a brief overview of how AI video generation works in Pictory.
Okay, so let's take a look and do a little walkthrough as far as what we can do with Pictory and how it does AI generated video. There's 4 ways it can generate video for you using the AI. The first one is script to video. The second one is article to video. Third one is edit videos using text. And the last one is visuals to video. Later on, I'm going to be demonstrating how to do script to video. Let's just sort of break down and talk about each one as far as how they work. The first one, script to video, what you do is you put in an actual text script and you kind of lay that out in a way that you think it should make sense. And then also the platform Pictory will help you kind of develop that in a way that will make sense because the AI uses that to generate all of the images and videos and stuff that you'll be using. The article video is kind of unique. You can actually take the URL of a blog post or any article that is out there, put the URL in, and it will generate a video from that article. That's pretty nice. The next one is edit videos using text. You input the video from various sources and then you kind of like manipulate it as far as text. You can add subtitles. It even says here you can cut portions of the video to create highlights. You can add logos, outros, all of the other stuff to the video. So it really becomes more than just repurposing a video. It also becomes a video editing platform at the same time. That's why this is so powerful as far as what it can do. Also, what you're looking at is visuals to video. This here is where you can actually create shorts. In a previous video, I talked about how to create YouTube shorts. I will reference that later at the end of this video here. So let's go back now to script to video. We're going to kind of demonstrate that. You can also click here if you wanted to try it with a demo video. But what we're going to do now is we're not going to do this one. We're not going to click here to try with a demo video. We're going to come here and do script to video. And so I'm just going to go ahead and click proceed. So I click proceed. And as you can see, you're brought to the script editor. So this one here is, our script is going to be Alice in Wonderland. All right, so I have that pasted on my clipboard. I'm going to paste that in there right now. And as you can see, this has become my script. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break it up into various lines. So Alice in Wonderland is a wonderful, popular book for children that adults enjoy reading. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to clip that. That's going to be one line. All right, so the next one is the author, Charles. And so we're going to come here and, okay, that's fine. That looks good. Kind of splitting this up into what makes sense. And then the book, okay, we're going to go one last one here. And I think that pretty much does it. So now we have our script all laid out as far as how we want it to look. And then we can also make adjustments later if we wanted to highlight certain text to emphasize it. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight Wonderland. All right. I'm just going to highlight that. And then I'm going to highlight Charles. And let's see, highlight that. And then I'm going to highlight, this is already highlighted there, so that's good. Let's see, literature. I'll do that one, highlight literature. Okay, got that one. And then I'm just going to do here Readers have been puzzled. I'm going to go ahead and just do puzzled. Highlight that part. Okay, so now we have everything all set up. As you can see at the bottom here, it says spell check yes. So we have that. And it also tells how many characters, which is 530 characters that we're looking. We can make more adjustments here where it says auto highlight keywords, which it kind of did for us. And then I added some additional ones, auto visual selection, which yes, I want that to happen, and create new scenes on both. Exactly. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and click on proceed. So I click proceed. And as you can see, it's going to go ahead and ask me as far as which template do I want to choose for this. So, we could go with lemon. As you can see, there are many choices of templates you have to choose from. I'm going to go to this one here with subtitles. And I'm just going to click select on that one. I'm going to go with 16 by 9. In a previous video, I talked about by choosing these two aspect ratios, you could actually create YouTube shorts. The 9 by 16 is the most common one that you see. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue. As you can see, it is working. As it goes through, the AI now is generating the video in the background for us. It's finding the best media. As you can see here, it says finding the best media that's going to fit with our script that we put in. And so here we go, we have our script. So as you can see here, it broke it up into pieces, and now we have our 5 scenes that have broken up into here. And then you can see how we have our Alice in Wonderland text. Now, we can change these videos that we have here that are showing by clicking on visuals, and then it's going to show us different things that we could select. Now this one here, I'm just going to select that one and change it. All you have to do is just click on it and it just changed, and that kind of fits a lot better. And then also I could also adjust how this looks inside. So let's say I wanted to just kind of break this up some. So I'm in here, I wanted to go at this area here, and I'm just going to click enter. And as you can see, you can make adjustments very easily here. So I'm not going to do a lot of editing, I just wanted to show you how this works. And then you click on audio. You can see the power of how the AI generated video is working here. So I'm going to click on audio. And then it pre-selects for you a track, but as you can see, there's 15,000 plus tracks available. And that's what it's doing now. It's actually bringing up those tracks in the background. You also have the ability to do voiceovers. You can also upload your own music if you needed to do that. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on wait on that. They did add some new features to this, so it does. As we wait for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on the voiceover portion of it and show you that you can actually add a voice to read this. So I'm going to just go here and listen to Joan.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video in.
Okay, so I'm going to apply Joan to all of that so it reads the text that you see here. I'm going to come back to music, and as you can see, we have one selected already. It's loading the additional tracks in there. This one has already been applied, so we're going to stick with that one. So then we can go back to story and take a look, and we can kind of look through each scene to see if the imagery in the background that the AI generated looks appropriate. I like this one here. I think this one looks good. I'm going to come down to the next one here. Take a look at it. So just click on it right there, and it'll change shortly. And then as we go down here, we can just sort of review each one. This one here is through the fantasy of growing. So that's kind of cute, but I might want to change that, but I'm not going to go through each and every piece of that. You can do it yourself. You may be wondering why this is showing up here. Well, what you can do is you can link scenes together. So if, let's say, I really like the image that was in the last one, and I wanted to keep that. So when I click the link, it's going to pull the imagery from scene number 3 and pull it to number 4, replacing what you see here. So I'm just going to click on it and show you the link. And once those two scenes are linked, it just pulls it over, which it's not showing it because I'm still on the other scene, but see how I pulled it here and it's showing the previous scene here. So that's how that works. And then you just keep on going down and you can make your adjustments to it. And if you wanted to change duration, there's different things here. This is just a walkthrough, so I don't want to go too in-depth in this, but just kind of gives you an idea of how this works and how the AI is generating all of this very quickly for you. Now, let's say that I am happy with everything. I could actually preview it beforehand, and then I can also click on generate. When you click on generate, as you can see, there's multiple ways that you can do things. I will go more in depth in this later as far as what each one of these are. But here you click here and it would actually generate the video. I'm going to click generate video just to show you how that looks, and then I'm going to end this walkthrough as it's generating. So as you can see here, the video generation is in progress. It's creating the scenes, and then it's going to, after it generates and creates the scenes, it's going to come down here and generate the video. Once the video is done, you will be able to download it to your PC and then upload it to wherever place you want to upload that to. If you want to upload it to YouTube, I have a video showing how to upload videos to YouTube and the different settings that you can set. And as you set those settings, why they're important and what YouTube is looking for. YouTube recently updated the terms of service agreement, and so that's something that you really should pay close attention to when you're uploading videos, just to make sure you're in compliance as far as what they're looking for. All right, that's it for this walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.